Hello dear traders, we are glad to welcome you on ИнстаФорекс TV channel. Today, me, Takhmina Salomova, and our ИнстаФорекс expert, Petar Yakimovich, are going to talk about the current market conditions and major currencies movement. Investor sentiment has changed dramatically in the end of the week. Traders have started to sell the US currency after dovish comments by Federal Reserve Chairwoman Janet Yellen. She suggested the Federal Reserve proceed cautiously in hiking interest rates. How long will traders hold bullish bets on Euro USD pair? Petar, what can technical analysis of the market tell us, and what order on this pair are preferable at the moment?
Hello dear traders. I'm expecting higher price on the USD since we got a successful test in a low volume and narrow spread of the bar 5 days ago near the area 1.1150. From that point we saw increasing in volume in a very healthy demand. The first take profit level is set around 1.1460, where I found a Fibonacci expansion 61.8%. Second take profit level is set around 1.1660, where I found a Fibonacci expansion 100%. So my advice is to buy on the dips and first take profit again 1.1.
Do you expect any change in sentiment of traders working with GBPUSD?
I'm expecting higher price on the GBPUSD. I found the inverted head and shoulders formation according to the daily time frame, and this is a very strong formation, but we need to see confirmation of this pattern. I would like to see the breakout of the level of 1.4515, which is the critical resistance in my opinion for this currency pair. So if the price breaks this level in a high volume and we see the healthy price action, that will confirm further upward price. The first take profit level in that scenario will be around 1.4730, where I found a very strong resistance, and there is a previous swing lows which right now acting like resistance. So again, watch for a breakout of this currency pair to confirm further upward price, and selling this currency pair looks very risky. So breakout of 1.4515 will confirm further upward movement.
Thank you. What about USDJPY? Do the expectations of new stimulus measures from Zimbabwe, SK and bulls away?
USD Japanese yen, I'm expecting lower price on this currency pair. We got a sideways movement for about 1 month, but in the background we got a very massive head and shoulders formation from like topping action, and we got confirmation and breakout of the neckline of this pattern. So right now I'm waiting just breakout of this flat base in a high volume to confirm further downward price. And that level is actually 110.65. That's a critical support. So watch for a breakout of this support, and also price may go to visit this area in the next period, so 110.65. And if we see the quality breakout and valid breakout and in a high volume, that can lead us to potential testing of 108.50, where I found the Fibonacci expansion 61.8 on this currency pair. So again, watch for a breakout of the flat base. We got a massive head and shoulders formation on the larger frames, and I'm expecting lower price on this Japanese yen. So watch for selling opportunities on rallies.
Before we finish our teleconference, I would like to ask you about NZDUSD behavior on the Forex market.
I'm expecting higher price in the New Zealand dollar US dollar. We got a very strong formation, and finally the New Zealand dollar managed to go upward and break the critical resistance around 0.6880. I found that wedge formation, and we got a successful breakout in a high volume, which I really like. So my first take profit level is set around 0.7170, where I found recent swing lows, which right now acting like resistance. So watch for buying opportunities on the dips, and again, this upward moment on New Zealand dollar can be much bigger. But first we need to break this area of 0.7170.
Petar, thanks a lot for your valuable advice. See you next week. You watched the overview of popular currency pairs prepared by ИнстаФорекс with me, Takhmina Salomova, and our Forex market expert, Petar Yakimovich. We wish you successful traders with ИнстаФорекс and see you soon.